Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Teen Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Harry Potter TV series. First look reveals Dominic McLaughlin as main lead ahead of the trailer drop. After a successful 7-part novel and 8 films, the makers are coming up with an ambitious TV series. Read on for more details on the project by Loveleen Kaur, published on 25th March 2026. After J.K. Rowling's 7-novel series, Harry Potter gained popularity among avid readers. It was translated into 8 full-length films, even though the novels were published from 1997 to 2007. It continued to remain relevant in recent times, hence HBO decided to bring it to the small screen by coming up with a book-to-screen translations for its upcoming TV series. They recently released the first look of the television show and unveiled Dominic McLaughlin as the chosen one. Read on to know more. Harry Potter TV series first look unveiled. Even though J.K. Rowling Harry Potter novel and the film adaptation of the books became highly popular, fans still debate which one gave a better experience. While that's happening, the 7-novel series is now being adopted into a television series. Recently, the maker raised the excitement of fans by dropping the first look of the show. The poster showcases the titular character Harry Potter present at the Hogwarts Quidditch ground. The young lad can be seen donning the iconic number 7 cloth representing his house. Gryffindor, he can be seen holding his magical broom as the player makes his way to the arena. Following the audience, the poster also showcases the house flags of Gryffindor and Hufflepuff unfurled on the stand. In the caption, the makers also mentioned tomorrow, probably hinting at the trailer drop on 25th March 2026. When and where to watch the Harry Potter TV series. No matter how many times fans have watched the 8-part film or read the 7 novels, the excitement around watching the TV show is at an all-time high. While the stage has been set, reports suggest that viewers will have to wait a little longer by late 2026 or early 2027 to finally relive the fantasy world created by the iconic writer and producer. According to Economic Times, the show is being developed by HBO Originals and will be available exclusively on the Max streaming platform, formerly HBO Max. As for the cast, Dominic McLaughlin will be playing the 11-year-old Harry Potter, while Alistair Stott will be playing his best friend Ron Weasley. They will be joined by Arabella Stanton as Hermione Granger and John Lithgow as Albus, the headmaster of Hogwarts. For more updates, stay tuned to Pankville. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice